Palm Springs, you'll find KORAKIAPENSIONE, an upscale Moroccan and Mediterranean-style gem. Today, I will talk to you about my experience and if I think it's BAECAY Beauty approved. This desert oasis is divided into two sections. On one side of the street, you have the Moroccan units, and on the other side, the Mediterranean units. But let's start on the Moroccan side. Here, you'll find the beautiful main entrance fountain that is Instagram picture worthy, the lobby where you will check in and out, as well as sign out courtesy bicycles that are available on a first come, first serve. Behind the lobby, you'll find the Mediterranean pool, which is open 24 hours. You will also find the stone fountain wall surrounded by a lounging area and fire pits that are turned on at dusk. If your room is not on this side, don't worry, you can still use this pool and leave your belongings in this area. There are also tables and chairs throughout the resort for you to use, an outside patio with a hammock for you to relax, and oh, let's not forget Sasha, the Korakia cat who lives here. Now let's jump over to the Mediterranean side. My husband and I stayed in one of the Mediterranean units, the Santorini Room. This room had a record player, a cozy semi-sectional couch, a queen bed, a beautiful chair, closet, safe, and mini refrigerator. The best part of the room for me was our bathroom, which had a sunken stone bathtub and open shower. If all rooms are the same, but ours did not have a TV, which was okay because we woke up every morning to a great view of the San Jacinto Mountains. The Mediterranean pool is also open 24 hours, which is a great thing because it helps with social distancing during this time of COVID. Due to COVID, each room gets assigned a lounging area by the pool to make sure that you keep your distance from others. You will see a sign with your room name on a lounging chair, and that will be your hangout place throughout your stay. This is an alcohol-free resort, meaning they don't serve or sell alcohol, but you can take your own drinks or order drinks from a restaurant that Korakia has partnered with. On this same side towards the back of the resort are fire pits and a lounging area for your enjoyment. I believe this is where yoga classes are held, but due to COVID, these classes have been canceled at the moment. Even though life has changed and vacation experiences are not the same, my husband and I felt really comfortable and safe at Korakia. We still had a lot of fun and it was truly a relaxing getaway. So make sure to check out this spot. It's truly a beautiful and picturesque gem, and definitely BAECAY Beauty approved. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest at BAECAY Beauty. See you next time.